kids! Now we are going to learn step by step how to draw a rabbit. I am sure this is a fun tutorial and you will enjoy. Let's begin. Rabbits and bunnies are the same animal. There are no difference in breed or species. Just the two words we prefer. Rabbits are very clean animal and are easy to break house and train. Much like a dog, a pet rabbit can be taught to come to his or her name. Sit in your lap and do a simple trick. Happy Rabbit practices a cute behavior known as Pinky. They jump up in air and twist and spin around. A baby rabbit is called a kid. A female is called doe. A male is called a buck. And a group of rabbits is called a herd. A rabbit's lifespan is about 8 years, though sterilized rabbit can live as long as 10 to 12 years. Rabbit symbol is often used to show that product was not tested on animal. This is because rabbit have traditionally been used in product safety testing. Rabbits cannot omit, so it is super important to feed them only healthy, fresh and appropriate food. Some species of rabbit are called hares. They are born with their eyes open, hair covering their bodies, and they can run within a few minutes of birth, much like guinea pig. Rabbit on other hand are born blind, naked and remain in a fur lean nest for the first day of their life. I am totally like this video. Next time I will teach you something new. I hope you liked today's video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.